Okay, this one's done. So I'm going to do another one. Let's put this down here for a minute. My pillow paint is Glidden Premium, and this is a mist tint, so it doesn't look pure white right now. This looks like a bluey gray color. So I used this and this. I don't think I used that. Maybe I'll switch them this time. I'll use the Deco Art. So I used I used 3 colors. What was the other one? Oh, the Peridot Deco Art Peridot Green, which is this. Golden Phthalo Green. And 24 karat gold. Okay, let's try this. I'll put this on the bottom. And this in the middle. And this on top. Can't remember what order I did the last one in. I'll have to see it in the video. Okay, so black cell activator. And a straw this time. My good old straw. Oh, that's pretty too. Wow. This pillow paint has a lot of air bubbles in it, I think because it was mixed not long ago, I guess. I don't know. Oh, my gold came off. There. All right, I think I've taken enough off. I'm gonna lift this one up. There, look how pretty that is. Sometimes I just prefer the ones with the black cell activator. There you go. Thanks for watching. I'll show you the other one. Quite different. This one is a lighter gold. This is a darker gold. All right, I'll try and put the dry result at the end of the video. Have a good day, everybody. Bye-bye. Hi, everybody. These are my blooms that I did on these little coasters, on these little wooden ornaments. I really, really like the ones with the black cell activator. Dried so pretty. Look at that. Shiny of that 24 karat gold. This one's really nice too. Yeah, they dried great. Oh, I really like them. Thanks for watching and have a great day.